If you'd like to add a portfolio page to a website in Squarespace, I'm going to show you everything you need to know in making sure that you can make the nicest looking portfolio. Let's get it done. So from your home page, you're going to go over to the left hand side and look for pages, which is located just under website. What you want to do here on the left hand side where it says main navigation, you can go ahead and click on the plus icon. Now once you click on this plus icon, you have a list of pages that you can add. You're going to look for a portfolio. This is a fantastic way to create your own portfolio by using one of Squarespace's presets. So as you can see here, you've got three options. I'm going to use this first one because it just looks fantastic. Now you can see that the layout is pretty basic, but what you want to do is go over to the left hand side, click on that name, maybe change the name. And from here, you want to go into the actual page. All right, so once you're in the page, there's a few things you can do. You can see right at the top, it says portfolio page. And what we can do is go to project one on the left-hand side. Of course, you can add projects in over here. But once you've clicked on this, before we go into the actual page itself, you can click on these three dots. You can go to settings, and in settings, you can change the general settings of the page, including the image. And this is now for the project page. So this is project one. You can also use their image editor if you want to enhance your images. You can change the title, URL, slug, and then you can just duplicate it. You can also change some of the SEO settings. You can see over here there's some options. And then also there's a social media tab, which allows you to use social media networks and how your content will actually show. Let's go and close this, and let's go up to the top, and you can see that there's a gear icon, and this is where you'll change the settings of the entire portfolio page. Again, you've got your general settings. You also have your SEO settings. You have that social image, which you can add in over here, and then there's some advanced options over here. Let's go back out here, and the actual look and feel of the page we can change by clicking on edit on the top left. And every single piece of this page you can edit. So whatever you're clicking on, you'll see that there's a box that comes up. You can click on the little pencil icon to edit everything within this box. Now this is a text box, so this is your option that you have, the option menu at the top for your text. If you're going in over here and you would like to perhaps add a block, you can click on the add block button, and here you can see there's a long list of blocks you can add. Of course, if you're adding images, you can change the properties or the parameters of the image. You can move it around as well. And once you are done, you can go up to the top right hand side. You can change the style again if you would like. And once you've made all the appropriate changes to your portfolio page within Squarespace, go up to the top left, click on save, and make sure that you are saving all of the changes that you made.